In the heart of the wild, survival isn't a solo journey. It's a collective effort, a testament to the power of unity and loyalty. Welcome to the Wolf Pack Mentality. Meet our protagonist, a unique blend of human intellect and wolf instincts. He embodies the essence of teamwork and loyalty, traits that are crucial for success in any endeavor. In the wild, a lone wolf struggles to survive. But within a pack, each member plays a vital role. They hunt together, protect each other, and ensure the survival of the group. This is the power of teamwork. Just like the wolf pack, in our professional lives, teamwork is essential. When we combine our strengths and work towards a common goal, we achieve more than we ever could alone. Loyalty is the glue that holds the pack together. It's about trust, commitment, and standing by each other through thick and thin. In our personal lives, loyalty builds strong relationships. It fosters trust and creates a support system that helps us navigate life's challenges. Adopting the wolf pack mentality means embracing teamwork and loyalty in every aspect of our lives. It's about understanding that we are stronger together and that our collective efforts lead to greater success. Whether in sports, family, or community, the principles of the wolf pack can guide us to achieve remarkable things. Remember, in the journey of life, we are not alone. Embrace the wolf pack mentality, and together, we can conquer any challenge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Stay motivated, stay united.